Regular cleaning and maintenance of the spray arms will keep your LG Signature dishwasher performing at its best. If you notice a decrease in wash performance, you may need to clear the spray arms and spray nozzle from food debris. If the spray arm holes are blocked by food particles or other material, residue may be left on dishes. Turn off the dishwasher and remove all dishes and the lower rack before cleaning the spray arms. To clean the lower spray arm, use a pin or small sharp tool to carefully remove residue or food particles blocking the spray arm holes. Rotate the spray arm to make sure there is no obstruction and it moves freely. Pull the upper rack outward to gain access to the other spray arm located underneath the upper rack. Turn the nut on the bottom of the spray arm counterclockwise slightly and then pull it down until the spray arm disconnects from the upper rack. Rinse or shake the spray arm to remove food particles. Clear any additional blockage from the spray arm holes using a pin or small sharp tool as before. Readjust the upper rack to the lowest setting and fold down the tines to give yourself clearance to reach the spray nozzle at the top of the cabinet. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, carefully release the tabs on each side of the spray nozzle. Carefully pull the spray nozzle outward to remove it. Check for food particles and residue and rinse thoroughly with water. Reassemble the spray nozzle and spray arm and reinsert the lower rack. When loading dishware, make sure items do not interfere with the rotation of the spray arms. The spray arm should be able to move freely. Improper rack position can also affect the rotation of the spray arm. Make sure the upper rack is installed properly and locked into the desired position.